Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock users on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now go to your profile and here tap on setting icon. And now scroll down until you find blocked. So here it is, blocked users. Tap on it. Now you can see a list of blocked users. Now in order to unblock them, just tap on cross icon that is located on right corner. Click on it. So here it is asking you, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Then tap on yes if you want to unblock. If you don't want to unblock, then tap on cancel. For now, let me unblock this user. Tap on yes button. So you have successfully unblocked user from Snapchat. So this is how you can unblock users on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.